I really recommend that anybody that's having any issues go through the workshop. We've been through multiple counselors with very little success. This workshop dives into the deeper details of communication, love, everything that you really need to make it work. But not only shows it to you, but helps you understand it thoroughly into where you can pretty much fix anything with your spouse and have hope for love and, the forever that we all hoped for when we took the vow to be with the person, forever. So this workshop has really opened my eyes and helped me see a lot of things from a different light and really helped us.
Okay, so I'm going to try not to cry. Today's been rough. I don't know why it's weird. Yesterday should have been harder, but today is. I actually have taken so much from the workshop. For me, it's more recognizing things within myself, I guess, that maybe I've projected onto my relationship in a negative way that have given me a negative outcome without me actually realizing that's what I was doing. So that's been a big deal for me, and the push-pull, and maybe also seeing things in a completely different perspective, which I have a really hard time doing, but that's really helpful for me. And I feel like I'm leaving the workshop with a lot more confidence than I came with. So I just really, really appreciate the whole experience.